The course is Java programming for computer science. Directly it may help IT, software engineering, information system, information science. Since the contents are more related, it may help on the computing, and any interested person who is going to view this tutorial on my YouTube. Let me start from chapter 1, which says that is an overview of Java programming. An overview of Java programming. When you come to the overview, the introduction to Java, you know that Java. What is Java? You can memorize, you can remember, you heard many times about Java, which is a second ranked programming language in the world, next to Python. So Java is an object-oriented programming language that produces applications for multiple platforms. It can run, it can execute on every machines because Java is independent platform. When a programmer writes Java application, that is what we call the source code. The byte code, which is a compiled format of source code in Java, that can be said that byte code runs on most operating systems. Those operating systems are like Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. Java is high-level, robust, object-oriented, and secure programming language nowadays. It was developed by Sun Microsystems in the year 1995, Gregorian calendar. During that time, the founder of Java is known as James Gosling. Then he becomes the father of Java. Before this, Java came to the world, is known with the name what we call it Oak. Then later, Oak becomes a company and registered as a company. Then it runs a number of programming language and other platforms. This name, this Oak, for the name what we call the registered company, comes through James Gosling and his team changed the name from Oak to Java. These are the overview and that's the detailed part of what Java is. The second concept we're going to see is platform. As you know, on every machine, platform is the hardware or the software environment on which some program runs. Either it can be software, either it can be hardware environments in which a program runs. Since Java have a runtime environment and API, application platform, application programming interface, it is called platform. It is called platform. There are 4 types of Java platforms. You can write that one in another way, editions. The gradual change, the gradual development through which Java is changed from one version to the others. The first one is standard edition, Java standard edition. The second one is Java Enterprise edition. The third one is Java special language. It can be also said as Java special effects. When it comes to the first one, Java standard edition, it includes Java programming application programming interface, such as Java. These are the packages. Java language. These are the package. Java language, Java input output, Java networking, Java utilities, Java SQL for Java database connectivity, Java mathematics, and the like. They are the category of standard edition. It also includes core topics like OOPs, string, reject, exceptions, inner classes, multi-threading, input-output stream, networking, graphical user interface, AWT swing, reflection, collection, and the like. They are the category of standard editions. They are the basics, they are the fundamentals for the other editions. The second part is what we call it Java's Enterprise Edition, which is mainly used to develop web and application enterprise applications. It is built on the top of the Java Standard Edition platforms. It includes topics like serverless, GSCP, web services, AGP, GPA, and the like. They are the category of Enterprise Edition. They are the category of Enterprise Edition. The third part, which is a portable devices can be used. It is a Java Micro Edition. You can say that one is Java Mobile Editions. It is used for development and the deployment of portable code for embedded and mobile devices like microcontrollers, sensors, mobile phones, TV set-top boxes, printers, and the like. They are developed with Java Micro Editions, mobile editions. The last one is about Java Special Effects, what we call it JavaFX, which is the largest category of graphical user interface, which is taken as one part of JavaFX. It is a new framework for developing Java GUI programs. So you know that GUI in Java classified into three: AWT, abstract window toolkit, which is the earliest and which is a platform dependent graphical user interface, which is heavyweight. And the second one, which is a modified part of AWT, is swing, which is machine independent, it is a lightweight. And the last one, which is used for developing 2D, 3D animation support, video and audio playback, is what we call it JavaFX. Is a JavaFX part. So these are the editions of Java programming. So to sum up about the programming, Java programming. So what is Java programming language? You know that humans and the machine communicate with each other, especially through program. So programming language is a way for programmers or developers to communicate with computers. The way machine and the programmer, the way machine and developer communicate with each other, that's what we call it programming language. This programming language can be classified into three: low-level programming language, high-level programming language, and the middle-level, medium programming language. So in our case, Java is the high-level programming language. So the most popular programming languages are Java, the first ranked throughout the world, Python, the first ranked in the world, Java, JavaScript, C++, SQL, and the like. They are called high-level programming language. This is all about the lecture that I have for today. Next we will come with another concept of Java programming, ideas. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube. Thank you